Welcome to Program Guru. In today's episode, we'll solve the problem: finding the number of provinces using depth-first search, or DFS. Imagine that there are cities on the map. Some of the cities are connected to each other through edges. If cities are directly or indirectly connected, they together form a province. Our goal is to count how many such provinces exist. Let's walk through the steps to solve it. Step 1. We create an empty set called Visited to track the cities we've already explored. Step 2. Initialize a variable province count to 0. Step 3. Loop through every city in the graph. If we find an unvisited city, we start a depth-first search from there. Mark all its connected cities as visited, and then increment province count by 1. After going through all the cities, the value of province count gives us the total number of provinces. Let's walk through a concrete example. Here's our input graph. Start with an empty visited set. First unvisited node is 1. We start DFS from node 1. Mark node 1 as visited. Visit node 2. Visit node 4. DFS completed for the node 1. This is our first province. Count becomes 1. Next node is 2, but it is already visited. Next node is 3, it is unvisited. Start DFS from node 3. DFS visits the nodes 5, 6, and 7. DFS completed for node 3. This is second province. Count becomes 2. Next node is 4, already visited. Next node is 5, already visited. Next node is 6, already visited. Next node is 7, already visited. Next node is 8, it is unvisited. Start DFS from node 8. DFS visits node 9. End of DFS for node 8. That's the third province. Count becomes 3. Next node is 9, already visited. All cities are now visited. Final province count is 3. And that's the solution. If you found this helpful, give us a like. And subscribe to Program Guru for more beginner-friendly DSA tutorials. See you in the next video.